Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to create a PDF to text app using Tkinter Python. So we'll have a look at our Python file handling basics, and then we're going to go ahead and code it together. So let's jump ahead and have a look at our application here. As you can see, this is the final version of our application. Uh, it's a GUI application that will convert PDF files to our text file. Let's go ahead and demonstrate what the application does. We're gonna just select the file, click on a convert button, and we will get a txt file converted from PDF. Okay, now let's go over importing some of the packages we need for this application. The first one is Tkinter because we're gonna have a GUI application, and then we're gonna import file dialog, which is used to access file selection within our application. Also, we need message box, and we're going to import PDF reader. It's used for reading PDF files. And then last one we're going to import is OS, which is used for handling file path within our application. Let's go over step number 2. So we need a main window and a frame to have interface in our application. So I'm gonna go ahead and just type here step 2, create a main window, and also we need a frame. So root tk.tk, and then we're gonna give it a title, basic PDF converter. Okay, then let's create our frame. We're gonna pass it to root, and we're gonna give it pack x equal to, let's say, 10, pad y, let's say 10 also. Okay, next we need a selected file tk dot string var. We're gonna pass this to our button, so we will capture the what is clicked. So step number 3 would be creating widgets. So first of all, we're going to need a label. So tk label, and I'm not gonna pass it to the variable. So we pass it to the frame. We need a text. We're gonna say selected PDF file, and we're gonna give it grid. Yeah, row number 0, column number, let's say 0. And we're gonna make it sticky. Yeast. And I think we're good. Yep, should be good. Let's run the app. We didn't create the loop. That's why we were not gonna see anything. So we need to add the loop here first at the end of the application. But let's create our widgets first. So the next one will be entry, and this is where we're gonna add the text variable. So we're gonna pass the selected file here, and we're gonna give it a state which will be read only. So we're saying that we want this entry be only read only format. We don't want to enter anything there. And also we're gonna give it a width. Let's say 50. Yep, that's good. Grid. Row. Let's say 0. Column 1. Yep. And let's get pad X. 5. Yep, that'll do it. The next one would be button. So tk.button class. We'll pass it to the frame. We give it a text and okay, text. Yep. And we pass browse files. Let's say PDF. Command. So we're gonna pass a function here, open underscore file, which will be used to open our file, and then grid. Row 0. Column span 3 pad y, let's say 5. Okay, we're gonna define the open file later. Let's let's run the app. Actually, let's go ahead and define the function first. We'll run the app later. So this will be step number 4. We need a function to open files. So we're gonna name it diff open file. And so first we need to open a file dialogs for the user to select the file path here in this function. So we're gonna say file path. We're gonna create this variable, and we're gonna use file dialog dot ask open file name. And if the file path exists, then we want to pass it to the selected file variable. We want to access it later in a different function. Okay, so this should be good. We need another widget, actually, another button to convert the file. When we click on it, we want to convert the file. So we're going to say tk button frame text lp convert and command. We need a function name here, convert p file, let's say. Oh yeah, grid row, let's say 1. Column span 3. Pad y 5. Yeah, let's change this one. Let's remove this column number 2. I want the last one be span. All right, let's go to step number 5. Here we need a function to convert our PDF file. So I'm gonna convert the file, and I'm gonna say diff convert underscore file. First, we need to get the path to the file. So PDF path is equal to selected file dot get. This will get the path to our current file. We need to make sure that the file exists. So if not PDF, we're gonna show a message box, error box actually, that tells us the path does not exist. Error message would be no PDF file selected. Okay, then we return. All right. Okay. os.path.dirname. This function takes a file path and return the directory name of the path. So it'll give us the directory here. So we need to get the name of the file without the PDF extension. So we create a variable called base name. And we're gonna use a function, method inside of the split text, which called os.path.basename, which will take a file path and return the base name of the file. And 0 mean that we need the first part. We don't want the PDF, like .pdf, just the first part. And we use the split text to get the first part. So, yep. And now we need to add .txt here at the end of the file name. We do that with the output path. Okay. .join will combine our directory and the file name and put it together and make it a single path. So now we need to open the PDF file, read it, and extract it to our text file. We do that. First, we're going to use the context manager called Width, which will help us to handle any potential file handling issues. Then we're going to use open our PDF file. Since the PDF is a binary, we need to open it in the binary mode. So that's why we used RB. And we need to create a reader object here. Which will read and interact with our PDF file. And also we need to now open our PDF file in write mode. We do that using the context manager again, which is with, and also open. And we need to make sure that we're going to use UTF-8 encoding. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to iterate through it, through our pages, and extract them using a loop. So text, yep, page extract text. So if text, making sure that the pages are not empty, we will write to our file. We will also need to add blank pages between each page. So we're gonna say, okay, let's first pass this here, text, and text, file, right, so forward slash slash and then. Okay, we're looking good here. And at the end, we'll have a message box showing successful extraction of our file. So when you notify the user that the file has been extracted successful. So we're gonna use show info message box and file converted successfully. All right, save as output path. All right, we're looking good here. Let's try to run it. Yep, let's browse PDF. Select the file, open, and convert. Yep, let's go check it. Was desktop test. All right, yep, you can see the txt file here. All right, great. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a like, subscribe, or comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy coding.